Hey, what's up guys? Just a little update here. I don't think I've showed you a view like from back here, but this is like an old country store. It used to be like a bait shop for the lake and all that's just down the road. But you know, you see the barn and the building back there, but you can see the new three-phase power line that they put in, and the driveway that goes in there. They put the pole right in the middle of the driveway. So I'm gonna make a new driveway in the center of the property. Well, it's not exactly in the center of the driveway, but my property line basically runs right down through here. So it's really at the edge of my property. And you can see it kind of twists and turns back up in there. And if you got a trailer or whatever, it's not exactly the most convenient. So moving the driveway over here with a straighter shot back to the shop is going to be helpful. One of the things I did is poured a couple of slabs, made a couple of forms to pour some slabs. One will be a front porch that's going to go up to the entrance of the living area from the outside, so that, you know, UPS or whoever can leave a package and not have to leave it out in the rain. And but you know, I got to get a concrete truck. Just back up a little bit so you can see this. So we got to get a concrete truck around back behind the shop here, because I got a larger slab that's like 25 feet long out there, and I'm going to put awnings or covers coming off the top of the building to cover both the front and the back. So out here, again, I'll do an awning coming up, you know, off the roof out to cover this. But this is about 25 feet long, and it's about 5 feet out. The AC unit that's going to control the shop is going to be mounted here, and this AC unit here is going to control the living area, and then in between are going to be air compressors, and I think I'm going to put a dust collection system in for the woodworking machines and have them out here, have it out here, but I'm undecided about that. So one thing I was going to ask about this, the forms I did, you can see I used some little stakes there to kind of form it, and then I came back and drove in some 2x4 stakes, and then on the front here where it's going to get the most pressure on it, likely I drove in some stakes going on an angle like that, and then those are screwed to the wood there. So is that going to be enough to hold this back, you know, or do I need something else on it? You know, I've got, you know, again, some of those 2x4 stakes that go down. I think I made those about 14 inches deep. Drove them in with a sledgehammer, and so hopefully it'll be enough, but you'd be curious to see what you guys think. So, you know, obviously the closer you get the dust collection to the actual machine, the better, more efficient it'll be. So I thought about putting it inside up near the machines, but then it's just taking up shop space for nothing. And then if you put it out here, concern I have is, you know, moisture and all. Not that it's going to get rained on, but it's, you know, moisture from the air. Is that going to affect the wood chips or whatever? Maybe not. Anyway, coming in the back here, as you can see, they got some spray foam done today. They'll be coming back to do more of it and finish it up next week. But I gotta put these liner panels up on the wall, and then the electrical is going to go on just the top, affixed to that purlin there, and that couldn't be done until the spray foam was in, because it's going to cover it all up. So my airlines, I've ordered some of that. Is it Air Raid? I can't remember the name of it. That blue line 3/4 inch stuff. So I'll be coming in from the back here, plumbing my airlines up and over, and I'm going to have a couple of hose reels drop down over here, and then I'll have one plumbed over there for the CNC plasma table. So you can see they got the spray foam done in here, wall to wall, 5 inches in the ceiling and 3 inches in the walls, or 3.5 inches in the walls. Tommy was asking about those panels, where I was going to use those at, that I painted the other day on the other video, and you can't really see it because it's so dark in there, but these are going to be, those are used inside the bathroom. So this is going to be toilet there, sink there, shower there, and then utilities are going to be over here, washer, dryer, stuff like that, all in one room together. Hey, what's up guys? Yeah, so anyway, in a couple of days I'm going to make a video showing the shop layout and you know, and kind of explain the workflow and the layout of how I'm going to set up the tools and all that. So I'd be really interested to hear what you guys think about my plans and any suggestions and ideas. So I'm trying to think of a good way to show you this shop layout and walk you through it that so that it makes sense. But anyway, so I'm going to upload this video and look for that one in a couple of days. And also, I've got a video I'm going to have on the spray foam being put in, and I will upload that to the other channel. All right, thanks.